Hey guys, how you doing? Today I wanted to talk to you about an update on that one unit that I told you that was left trashed. We're kind of halfway through it. We painted it. Well, I didn't paint it, but somebody else painted it. Came out pretty good. I'm gonna walk through the unit and kind of show you what we're gonna do to it, and then I'm gonna talk to you about how we actually came to buy these 20 units, and I'm gonna actually make a video on the specifics on the financial side, how much we bought it for, how much we renovated it for, what were the rents at, and all that. So stay tuned for that video after this. And by the way, if you like these videos, subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up, hit the likes, hit the bell so you can get a notification and let us know how we're doing. So let's see, here's the bathroom. We probably glazed that tub, probably got a new light fixture, get all sorts of the stainless steel shower heads and appliances and all that. Not appliances, but door handles. The kitchen, the kitchen is, this was built in 1982, 1984, one of those 2 years. So the kitchen is in pretty good shape. It might look a little bit older, but what we do with these kitchens is we paint the cabinets, the outside of them, and we put new hardware on them. And what we'll do to these countertops, since they're pretty decent countertops, we'll glaze them a nice look, like it'll have like a granite look to them. Even though they're not granite, they'll have a granite look to them. Probably a new faucet, depending how good the sink is. We'll do the sink. We'll paint inside of the cabinets, fix anything that the cabinets, the cabinets take any water damage or anything, any holes or anything. We'll fix all that. Looks like the stove's got to go. They destroyed the stove. We'll probably get a new refrigerator. It's in pretty bad shape. The floor is actually in pretty good shape, other than the carpets. The carpets in the living rooms are pretty bad. I mean, in the bedrooms are pretty bad. But we only have carpet in each bedroom. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, 900 square feet. We'll probably end up getting a bunch of new hardware, a bunch of new lights, blinds. But other than that, that's all we'll do to this unit. I've got an applicant ready to go on it. The rent went up a little bit higher. We were able to bump the rent $50. So it'll help with the bottom line. Again, this is, I'm gonna bring you a video. Next couple of videos will be about how we were able to find these 20 units, how we were able to finance it and find the deal, first of all. Finance it, rehab it, rent it out, refinance it, pull all the money back out of it, all the profit paid, a couple of investors back, and then now I'm the sole owner. So stay tuned next couple of days and you'll see the video. Thanks again. Bye.